All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to the XRP community. A massive day, of course, major milestone for Ripple, of course, and the XRP community. We have finally seen RLUSD launching, highly anticipated, listing, and here it is. We have finally seen that happen today, and the price of XRP reacted in a really positive note, based off of that announcement. Where we're going to talk about, what's happening, what are some next targets. But before we do that, I want to give a shout out to the Pudgy Penguin team. The way they executed this airdrop is massive, and this does impact the broader crypto market, because this injected a major amounts of liquidity into the crypto markets. And I know a lot of people are going to say this injected towards Solana, which is true. Solana is actually up right now about 4%. Solana ecosystem's thriving, but this has had a major impact, not just on the Solana ecosystem but for the broader market as well. But gotta give the shout out to the community, the people that have been accumulating these NFTs over the course of the last 2 to 3 years. Their lives changed today. People's lives changed, and this is what we love crypto for. So I could not be more happy for the Pudgy Penguin community. And also, if you were an OG Ethereum trader, as well as Solana, you did qualify for that. But what a major day today. I'm sure a lot of people are excited. But as far as XRP's price is concerned, currently sitting at $2.57, up 4.1% in USD, also up 2.6% in Bitcoin comparative. The market cap is at $146.1 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume at about $14.6 billion. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So, we're going to start off by going over some of the things. So, 272.3 million worth of XRP shorts face a liquidation if XRP reaches $3, signaling a potential short squeeze. Are we surprised? I think this is going to happen. We're going to see that $273.3 million of XRP being liquidated. There's no question about that, in my opinion. The way XRP is holding right now, the excitement towards XRP, the potential ETF that we could see next year, I think this really puts it at another level that not a lot of people are realizing. And I do believe there is going to be a short squeeze that's going to happen. We're seeing the hints of that, and I think we will see this happen. Of course, once you see this liquidation occur, I think you could see the price of XRP reaching crazier heights after that, and entering price discovery mode. But look at this, Ripple new stablecoin RLUSD being discussed this morning on Fox Business. Thank you, Simon, for the shout out. So here we are. You are seeing, the major news outlets talking about RLUSD. They know the potential of, this launch. Regulatory approved stablecoins. Stablecoins are being discussed like never before. So, it is a major deal, to say the least. And shout out to our good old friend Smoke. It has been documented for months that Tether would lose market share to superior stablecoins, and now it's finally happening, of course. Due to RLUSD launching. As I've stated to you guys before in my updates, this is a major milestone for not just Ripple and, of course, RLUSD, but RLUSD to take majority of the stake when it comes to the market share of the stablecoin markets. But let's take a look at what's happening with the prices. So if you're looking at Bitcoin dominance, it's back about 58% right now. And look at this, we actually went up to 58.23%. So like I said in our last update, you want to be paying very close attention to the dominance index, and the dominance index is not showing any signs of slowing down right now. And if you're looking at Bitcoin, on the other hand, Bitcoin, of course, reached all-time high again this morning at $108,441. Which is really exciting to see. So, Bitcoin is in this upwards trend. Bitcoin is not slowing down. Of course, people are going to come out and say, well, what about this little bit of a retracement? But we need to understand this is just a little bit of a minor pullback for, Bitcoin. And this minor pullback and, the fact that dominance yet again went higher is a major reason why you are seeing yet again a lot of red across the board. But, the utility projects are showing strength again. XLM, shout out to the XLM community. I'll be making an update later on for you guys. Litecoin, XRP, you're starting to see these coins trending back into the green, which is quite interesting to see, of course. But, if you're looking at Bitcoin, a little bit of a minor pullback, totally fine. We need to remember this was all-time high literally yesterday, and here we are being supported by that range. So Bitcoin is in this upwards trajectory, and as of now, Bitcoin dominance is doing what I don't want Bitcoin dominance to do, but what can we do, right? This is something that, we need to, of course, accept. And like I said, if the dominance goes over the 58.54%, I think this is going to be a major confirmation that, we do see a lag for altcoins. But let's take a look at XRP. Look at this beautiful wick earlier this morning, for XRP. That was a complete thing of beauty. Let me just quickly reload this for you guys, and then we can kind of take a look at it together. Here we are. So look at this beautiful bounce for XRP. Let's go on the hourly time frame. There it is. So we went up to the likes of $2.72. I was talking to you guys about, once we enter this, things can start moving up quite fast. But what's really important now, literally as of recording this update, we are about half an hour to 40 minutes away for us to, see that daily candle close. And you want to see that daily candle closing in the 23.6. I know I talked about this last night. We went above there. We actually went up to the likes of $2.72. A very, very, nice move for XRP. But right now we're seeing a little bit of a retracement, and the way dominance is moving, it's not helping because the dominance is picking up quite fast. Like I said to you guys earlier, you want to see, I don't care if dominance goes up, you want to see this close in the next few minutes. If it's able to close above the 23.6, I am projecting we could actually continue to go towards the upside and potentially reach a new yearly high before this week even comes to an end. Because I want you guys to look at it from this point of view. From the $2.72, we were pretty much only a 7% move for us to break towards a new yearly high. So things are aligning. There's a lot of speculation going upon BlackRock now as well, but I think we kind of want to take those a little slightly because, of course, nothing is confirmed. But some of the rumors that are flying, I understand why it's so exciting, but people are getting super excited that BlackRock could potentially be interested in XRP ETF. But why wouldn't they? Look at the volume, the interest. XRP has the utility. There's so much going on for itself, and imagine BlackRock actually getting the ETF for XRP and then tokenizing assets on the XRP ledger. I think that would be passive, of course, but you're looking at XRP holding really good, but like I said, I want to see the close in the 23.6. But a moment of silence for anyone that was talking negative about XRP back on December 10th, because XRP's price went up 41.45% after that. In a bull market, you will see retracements. I repeat that 1,000 times. If you think market's just going to go up straight forever, that's not going to happen. But so far, so good. I'm loving what I'm seeing. You want to see this close in the next few minutes, and then we'll take it from there. But let me know down below what you guys think. What are your personal predictions on XRP's price, and where could you see the price of XRP going in the upcoming days ahead of us? Love each and every one of you guys. Cannot thank you guys enough for all your support. We'll see you later. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.